Hi, I'm Liz with Dharmatrading, and I'm going to show you how to do a 4-color scrunch tie. Start with your damp t-shirt that has been pre-soaked in a soda ash solution. Begin by gently scrunching the shirt in the center. As you go, pull the fabric towards the middle. Try to make sure all the fabric bunches are about the same height for a more even design. Keep scrunching until the entire shirt is gathered. Once gathered, carefully push the shirt together, making sure not to disturb your scrunches. Then slide the rubber bands on with just enough tension to hold the shape. Place your t-shirt on a raised tray to allow the excess dye to drip down. Start by generously applying the Peony to the top half of your shirt, followed by applying the turquoise to the other half. For this design, I'm focusing on saturating the top colors more heavily while being a bit more cautious with the bottom ones. Now carefully flip the shirt over and apply the blue-violet on the same side as the Peony, followed by the Cerulean Blue over the turquoise. Flip the shirt one last time so the lighter colors are now on top. This is how you'll want to store it. Cover the shirt in plastic to keep it moist. Allow it to batch for 24 hours for the best results. After 24 hours, rinse under cold running water to stop the dye reaction. Next, rinse in warm water while you remove the rubber bands. Keep rinsing until the water runs fairly clear. Then wash your shirt in the washing machine with hot water and dyer's detergent. I'm Liz with Dharmatrading, and this has been your 4-color scrunch dye tutorial.